Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about the vast band of stars stretching across the darkness? That glowing path is our home galaxy, the Milky Way. We often take it for granted, but hidden within it are mysteries and secrets that science is only beginning to uncover. In this video, let's explore some fascinating and lesser-known facts about the Milky Way Galaxy that will completely change the way you see our cosmic neighborhood. Fact 1. Size and scale. The Milky Way is absolutely massive. It spans about 100,000 light-years across. To put that in perspective, if you could travel at the speed of light, it would still take you 100,000 years to cross it from one end to the other. And the galaxy isn't static. It's constantly rotating. At the outer edges, stars can take up to 250 million years to make one orbit around the center. That means, since the age of the dinosaurs, the Earth has only made about one full trip around the Milky Way. Fact 2. Billions of stars. When you gaze at the sky, you might think there are countless stars, but that's only a tiny fraction. Astronomers estimate the Milky Way contains 100 to 400 billion stars. That's not all. For every star, there may be multiple planets. This means our galaxy alone could host billions of potentially habitable worlds. Imagine how many Earth-like planets might be out there, waiting to be discovered. Fact 3. Hidden black hole. At the very center of the Milky Way lies a monster, a supermassive black hole called Sagittarius A star. It's about 4 million times the mass of the Sun. What's even more fascinating is that stars near the center orbit this black hole at mind-bending speeds, some moving at thousands of kilometers per second. Yet, from Earth, we cannot directly see it because it's hidden behind thick clouds of gas and dust. Only advanced telescopes using infrared and radio waves allow us to peek into its mysterious core. Fact 4. Invisible dark matter. Here's a secret that's truly mind-blowing. Most of the Milky Way is actually invisible. Scientists believe nearly 85% of the galaxy's mass is made up of dark matter, a mysterious substance that doesn't emit light and can't be seen directly. Without dark matter, the galaxy would not hold itself together. In a way, we are living inside something we don't fully understand. Fact 5. Not alone in space. We often imagine the Milky Way floating alone, but in reality, it's surrounded by more than 50 smaller galaxies known as satellite galaxies. Some of these, like the Large and Small Magellanic Clouds, are even visible from the southern hemisphere with the naked eye. These galaxies are slowly being pulled towards the Milky Way and may eventually merge with it. Fact 6. A galactic collision is coming. One of the most dramatic secrets is that our galaxy is on a collision course. In about 4 billion years, the Milky Way will crash into its neighboring giant, the Andromeda Galaxy. Don't worry, individual stars are so far apart that direct collisions are unlikely, but the two galaxies will merge to form a completely new galaxy, sometimes called Andromeda. Our descendants, if humanity still exists, will witness a breathtaking new night sky. Fact 7. Cosmic recycling. The Milky Way is not just static, it's alive in its own way. Stars are constantly born, live their lives, and eventually die in spectacular explosions called supernovae. These explosions scatter elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron into space. Those same elements eventually form new stars, planets, and even life. In fact, the iron in your blood and the calcium in your bones were forged in ancient stars of the Milky Way billions of years ago. The Milky Way may be our home, but it's also a place filled with mysteries, hidden wonders, and breathtaking phenomena. From its monstrous black hole to the invisible force of dark secrets waiting